Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome into your laptop or the desktop computer. First of all, open your available browser and in the search tab write in there Google Chrome. It is given one option, Google Chrome download. Just click there. It is given another option, download Google Chrome free download for Windows. I am using Windows operating system, that's why I just click there. This is for PC and click there, download Chrome. Accept and install, just click there. After some time it will download into your computer in a respective drive, and just click there and install Google Chrome. Now it's completely downloaded into your drive. You click here, here is given option open file, just click there and it's show where Google Chrome is downloaded. Okay, into your system file, here is given Google Chrome. Double click into your downloaded file. Yes, Google set of update suite of option. Now click on yes. After some time Google Chrome is installed into your system file, computer system. Just wait some time. Now it's already downloaded into your system file. Just open Google Chrome. This is the layout or the interface of your Google Chrome. You can search, just click there. This is search bar and you can search whatever you want. This is the video how to install and how to download and install Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video.